Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm just finished putting this IMS bearing back together job. Just gonna finish doing a few things on top here to replace the separator and all that. I just want to show you the disc valve, which is actually like a heater tap for your gearbox cooler. Look at this. It's already deformed and it's all melted. Really bad, and then the actual hoses are blocked from inside. I even pulled one of the hoses off and look at it. It's blocked, 100% blocked. So hopefully everything is fine when I put it back together. So it should be alright because the customer drove the car here. But look at the brand new one. See the difference? So you look at it, brand new. So what I want to do now, I'm going to just put that cap on, put a bit of silicone there to hold it onto the new one, to here, so it doesn't to keep the heat away. But yeah, part number for that, part number for this heater tap or disc valve, it's here. This is a 928 part of a 928. You can use it on a 996, 986. Alright, you can just buy a 928 part, put it on, it's the same thing. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.